The issue that we have decided to do is immigration. We chose this issue because Arizona is right next to the border and has a growing population of immigrants, where 13% of Arizona's population is immigrants. The United States Constitution does not define a federal power over immigration. However, courts have considered it an authority that nations possesses. United States immigration law has developed extensively in the last 200 years, often without being reviewed by the judicial system. The Constitution creates a government of specific powers, meaning the powers of each branch of government are listed and detailed. The Constitution states that Congress has the power to establish a uniform rule of naturalization throughout the United States. Thus, the Constitution gives Congress the power to determine which foreigners can become citizens.
Analysis of the latest census data indicates that Arizona's illegal immigration population is costing the state's taxpayers about $1.3 billion per year for education, medical care, and incarceration. Even if the estimated tax contributions of illegal immigrant workers are subtracted, net outlay is still more than $1 billion per year. The annual fiscal burden borne by Arizona amounts to more than $700 per household by a native-born resident.
Okay, so my two questions are, what are some possible solutions to this problem of immigration, and how can you, as an individual citizen, help? So when it comes to immigration, we need to understand what the problem is. And although in Arizona there are a lot of issues because we are on the border, there are so many immigrants coming in, and this can cause such an immediate rise in population, can cause some problems. But the truth is that immigration is really not the root of all our problems in this country right now, because our population, based on the 2020 consensus, is actually decreased significantly, or it's not at a high enough number, and the fastest way to increase population is through immigration. So we actually, in a sense, need immigrants right now to increase our population, even though there are some effects of immigration and illegal immigration that are not ideal. There are more benefits to it right now. So how can you as a citizen help? The ways that an individual citizen can help is through the democracy, through voting for political candidates who are going to follow through on what you believe on the issue of immigration. Whatever side you are on, the way that you can help and help solve the problem is by voting for who you believe is going to make change how you want to see it. And the other way is by donating to charities or organizations that are going to do the same thing, push forward the mission that you want to see be pushed forward, and make the change that you want to see happen.